Javier 232 Hernandez. Man, you got a long ass. Javier. Yeah, I taught him a little bit, not that much.
Lookout camp, huh?
Yeah, we might get him hired once I get something going.
Lookout Junior.
232. 232 Hernandez.
Here we go, guys. First round. Daily driver with a 590 cap, which ain't bad.
All right, Javier, that been sent to you.
Uh-oh, that's just GS6.
No, that's not student driver. Javier, 232, baby. Baby completed.
Cody Jones, what's up, Cody? Cody Jones in the house. First round, Daily Driver.
Man, this might be a good one too, right here. Right lane with the super gap.
Bring it in.
Time to bring it in.
Mike in the back.
Hey, look, I got like 25 to bet. You trying to bet in the future? Heck yeah, I got 25 to bet. I actually got $79 more in the cash app to bet. I'm gonna try somebody with it. Man, you making Lookout spend his profit money from his merch out here. Man, I already done won $10 out here. I done won a little bit more than $10. I'm up about 20. He ain't doing nothing. Anyway, oh. All right, press down. Ah, down, bitch, down. Ah. God damn, let it hit me, man. I had to let it hit me. Well, at least I was gonna stick my hand in there and grab it. I thought about that propeller. I said, ooh, no. Ooh, no. It's all right. I had to stop. Oh, they were probably looking. I can't grab
what he was doing when he went straight up with it. He was up under that
I wasn't trying to do, I wasn't even going up. I was bringing it down.
Drone down. Is that King Chevy? Oh, we got Michael Hollis right now. Michael Hollis versus King Chevy. I don't even know if I was recording that motherfucker. I just looked at the truth and I was like, damn, let me stop that motherfucker before it try to go back up. Message came up. King Chevy versus Michael Hollis S10 truck. They got that pimp juice glue. Michael Hollis. I had to grab, I thought it was going to start trying to go back up. It went down and was like, it don't come. I said, no, don't you go back up. It's going to be a problem. It couldn't go back up really because the wing was already against up, but it had enough flap to keep it flapping. It would have came in with it. Yeah. Especially it would have went up some more and then dropped, you know.
Lucky, dude, it's just the wing.
Yeah, that ain't nothing. You could get a wing. Yeah, he crashed the drone. He touched the, looked like he touched the shed. It wasn't my drone, that's his drone. It's alright though. He only messed up the wing. I got mine in the car. As soon as somebody. Oh damn.
Who you like?
I think this side, man.
Who you like, right?
No, I ain't even putting mine out unless it's gonna get paid. I need to get, cause it see, like for instance like that, he wrecked his and wasn't nobody even paying and he got to go back out of his pocket with his money. So that's another reason why I ain't flying for free. I'm gonna be flying trying to get some money. I ain't doing it for free and then mess up my own stuff. You know what I'm saying? You mess up, something happened on accident, you done just gave away your money for nothing, so I ain't even interested.
They gonna be late.
I'm gonna put mine in there for that cash. Do you hear me?
I like it right here.
Yeah, he was trying to be the one with the drone.